Let's do an example of graphing a tangent function. We'd like to sketch the graph of y equals tangent of x over 2. Not much is happening here, so all we need to do is find our asymptotes, and that's pretty much going to be all we need it to do. So we have x over 2 as the input, and we set that equal to negative pi over 2, and we set it equal to positive pi over 2, and solve for x. So if I multiply both sides by 2, I'll get x equals negative pi. And here, multiply both sides by 2, we get x equals pi. So those are going to be the values of asymptotes. So over at negative pi, we have an asymptote. And at positive pi, we have an asymptote. And we can see that, of course, the distance between those is 2 pi. So every 2 pi, we'd have an asymptote. So the next one would be at 3 pi, which is off the right side. And over here, it'd be negative 3 pi, which is off the left. So that's this is really all we can draw as far as asymptotes. Okay, halfway between our asymptotes, we'll go through our 0, 0 point. You could think of it as the midline of tangent. We haven't shifted up or down here, and so we'll just stay there on the axis. Okay, and then we just need to kind of draw following our asymptotes. Note that there hasn't been any vertical stretch or anything, and so the point halfway between this center point and an asymptote, so at pi over 2, our y value is going to be 1. Okay, and on the other side it will be negative 1. And then we just kind of draw that curve following the asymptotes. Okay. And of course it continues. The next, we see that our period here is 2 pi, so if we can jump over and have another point over here and there, and kind of follow that as well. It goes off the page. And on the left side, same idea. We're going to have those points there and go up, follow the asymptote. So there's a sketch of tangent of x over 2.